So immensely honored to have you here with us today, as we at Midday believe that you are a great political Yoddha. And I have also been following you constantly. In fact, your tweet and you are all over the media because of the metro car shed, which is being shifted to other place. So I would like you to say a few words to our lovely audience who are very eagerly waiting for you.
Thank you and good morning. I think after a long time, I'm attending such event. And of course, I'm sure all of you must be attending such event after a long time because for past maybe 7, 8 months or more, we have been at our home. But I think it's absolute opportune time to hold such event because the healthcare space has never been so important as it has been for past 1 year. We have almost everybody, we have realized that there is nothing more important than health. And I think all of us who were eager to run very fast in our lives have realized that one disease can halt us, can stop us, and can make us sit at one place. And it has also shown us how important is the space of healthcare. The state government, the central government has also realized that we need to invest more in the healthcare system. And we also understood that not just the healthcare system, but the preventive healthcare system is also very important. And I think all the great players into the space of healthcare are doing wonderful job. In India, I must congratulate everybody because when this pandemic of COVID started, we were a country who needed to export the PPE kits, the ventilators, and every single thing. And in just few months, we have become a country who is exporting PPE kits and all other healthcare equipments. So I think that's the power of India, that's the power of people who are working into healthcare sector. We must also recognize the contribution of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, who has led this country in this pandemic in a very different way. The Western world today is suffering with the second wave and third wave. But I think we have been able to contain the second wave, although the pandemic is still there. We need to take care. Hopefully, the vaccination will start soon and corona will be passed. But till then, we have to take care. But I think it's a time to thank all the people who have been working in the space of healthcare for their immense contribution in this pandemic as well as in the overall situation which we have faced. I would like to thank Midday for organizing this event. Midday has not just been a paper or a publication, but it has always rose to the occasion. It has always been recognizing people who have done something good to the society. And I think this program is also one such effort to recognize the people who have contributed in this space. So congratulations to all the people who would be felicitated here. And thank you, Midday, for calling me to such event. In fact, for past many days, I've forgotten that such events are also organized. So maybe it's a new beginning. Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your encouraging words. Thank you so very much.